Verb, 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 verb.
Stop. Now let us help you conjugate.
Verbally, verbing. I'm stacking my notes that I look like a nerd. I got notes conjugated and I look Hispanic. How your brain's so small and your grade's so good. Drop the AR, drop the ER. Take the IR off. Add the ending. Tippy toe, tippy tay. You gon' get some nouns today. Forget that, you gon' get some verbs today. I walk into class, speaking in Spanish, writing a song so everyone can have it. We sounded so good, they pay us respect. Spin so hard, they never forget. Do it. Found them grades. Hey y'all, oh yeah. I the best. I deserve an A. Practice them.
Verb, 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 verb. Verbally, verbal, verbing, notes so stacked. All these teachers' brains is be throbbing. Fast students, I'm your leader. Tip me by the meter. Somebody point me to the best test cheater. I tell them study up, and eyes on your own paper. I'm a student getting A's, so y'all should not be such haters. If you got a bad grade, then I'ma help you guys out later. Your grades will be so hot that you will think you're the equator. Yeah, you know I'm the bomb. I help you more than your mom. Now you'll make it to college. Yeah, you'll make it to college. But that doesn't mean you don't need to study. ER verbs like baby and comer in the air. IR verbs like vivier and veneer and abrir. AR verbs like tomar and mirar and senar. Don't forget these verbs because you will need them terminar. Please study. Y'all, it's important, so give me all your notes so I can test you on every single.
We got ER verbs and got IR verbs. Got AR verbs, yeah, that's for sure. Conjugate all them verbs. Conjugate all them verbs. Conjugate all them verbs. Conjugate all them verbs. We got ER verbs and got IR verbs. Got AR verbs, yeah, that's for sure. Conjugate all them verbs. Conjugate all them verbs. Conjugate all them verbs. Conjugate all them verbs.